This is the power supply board out of a DELL E172FPb. Common issue with this particular model is shorting of the transistor 5707, which you can see right here, also back here, back there. Test for shorts across those leads. There's 3 leads for each one. Find any shorts on those, replace both pair. They work in conjunction like this. This is a pair, and this is a pair. If one of them is short, you'll read both of them as short. So just replace both of them. One of them might be good, but it's probably likely it's going to fail again. Or it's going to fail in the near future. So might as well just replace both of them. Also, sometimes when this transistor shorts out, it'll pop a fuse. The fuse is labeled PF751. To find it, go up, about, let's see, it's going to be right down here. Yeah, right there. PF751. Get the angle on this. Right down there next to that green capacitor. Let's see. Yeah. Zoom in a little bit. Sorry, video making isn't my strong suit, but that little black guy down there, that guy right down there, PF751, that's a fuse. Check it to make sure that it's not open. It will open up sometimes when these transistors down here blow. Also, there's a couple other transistors that might fail, which would also cause the backlight to shut down. The FU9024 looks just like the same package style as the 5707. It's up here. And there's another one. I've already taken it out, but it's right over. It should have been right over there. Check for shorts across those. Also, could be just one of these areas that I've talked about today. It could be all of them go bad. But that's probably 99% of the problems with this particular model is those transistors shorting out. So there you have it.